Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I am going to unbox these teacher boxes that I got on clearance at Michael's. I paid $10.75 for this one, original price $42.99, and this one I got for $12, original price $47.99. Now, I don't think these were previously opened, and the main reason I got them was one, they were a great deal, and two, when they're in a box like this, like they show the stuff on the back, but I don't know, just seeing it in person really looks better. Like you can just kind of appreciate it more versus when you look at it in a box like this or on the label. So I am going to open these up. I figured I'd share it with you all. I bought them, honestly, it was just like, oh my gosh, look at how cheap that is. And I really love this cover. So I really just wanted to get them. Plus, I mean, if you think about it, $10, you've got rings, you've got covers, you've got guts, and then all the other little things that we're about to find out what exactly is in here. So I just couldn't pass up the deal, even if I just kind of take out the things that I want from it and maybe sell the rest in a D-stash, which I probably won't do. I'll probably just hoard it all. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's see. Oh, don't mess it up, Nellie. Okay, we've got, let me turn this around because I had moved the light so that y'all wouldn't get too much glare. We've got 3 sticker sheets. These are mostly about teaching, but you know what? I'm a teacher, kind of, right? Like, I kind of teach y'all how to decorate your planners a little bit or give you inspiration on how to do it. So I could use some of those. And these are super cute. You can't go wrong with crayons and pencils and just really cute stuff. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is like a dry erase. Today's goals, very important. This is nice. I mean, if you want to not have a permanent record of what you're doing. I also wonder if stickers would stick to this. Like you could use it to put all of those little post-it note stickers that you want to use. I don't know, we'll see. But that's cute. Oh, like these. This is exactly what I was talking about. So if you could put these like on here. But this is kind of nice that it comes on its own little, punched piece of clear, whatever this is called, plastic. Keep these in your planner, and that way you always have your little sticky notes available. All right, here we go. Oh, look, it comes with also a bookmark. Bookmarks are always handy. Ooh, let's peel that off. Make today the best day ever. That's pretty. And this cover is really cute too. Look at that. And you've got some nice different colors here. I like it. What do y'all think? Now, I've never used, oh, this is pretty on the inside too. I've never used the teacher layout, but I do like having different layouts available to try. And sometimes you might just use like 1 page from it or 2 pages. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, let's look at this. So we've got here school schedule. I won't be using that. That's gorgeous. I love these pages. And then we've got, I'm going to move this box. So that was it for that box. So for $10, we got some sticky notes, dry erase, a few sticker sheets, a bookmark, and seriously, like a whole planner. So being a teacher is hard work. Cute. Okay, let's get in frame. Let's look at this. Oh, it's a colorful one. Now that's really pretty. You know what this is good for too? If you're like me, I like to use outdated planners or, planners that I have in my stash for keeping track of my bills. I don't want my bills in my memory planner or anything like that. I just keep all of that separate. And so this would be great for that. Okay. I don't know, this paper feels thicker than my other planners. It's really nice. All right, so here's the teacher layout in case you've never seen it. A lot of people, since it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns, will go ahead, because this one's Monday through Friday, we'll like white these out and use these as different categories. So let's say work, and then your husband, chores, errands, whatever. So that's what this layout is very versatile, and then you could just date it as you go, like that. That's cute. Okay, so let's just look at all of the dividers. Be the brightest color. And then teachers can change the world 1 child at a time. These are pretty. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. And is this what the cover looks like? No, sort of, but not really. Teach and inspire. And then, if you're redating, literally just take the January through June or whatever, and then move it to the front and redate it. And use it however you're going to use it. So let's see those. That one. Never measure progress using someone else's ruler. And those are some really cute rulers. Okay. And then we've got one extra little section back here. What we learn becomes a part of who we are. That's nice. And here it's got these cool checklists. What will I use these for? I don't know. If anybody uses the classroom, the teacher layout and has a good use for these, I guess these are just like trackers, right? I don't know. So many possibilities. That's cool. Okay, so that was that one. Let's see what's in this other box. This one was $2 more, basically because it was, it's a big. And I use a big a lot for my printables. So whenever I print out, printables, printable stickers from my shop or from other shops, I like to put them in of course I take the guts out and I like to put them in a big. Okay, let's see. This is like kind of weird in here. We've got cute little apple stickers. Oh, pretty florals. And cute little school supplies. Very cute. And then it's kind of weird. Oh, look, we've got a nice pocket folder. Perfect. Nice. And then we've got, oh goodness, this one comes with a lot more. I thought it was just because it was big, but nope, it comes with more stuff. Okay, so this one's got a nice big bookmark, and these are great. So like if I fill up a big notebook with printables and I want to separate them, like I want to put all the boxes together, I can't get this plastic off. There we go. If I want to put all the boxes together and then I want to put all of the, floral stickers or whatever together, I can separate them with these. And that way when I go to look for stickers, they're exactly where I need them to be. Cute little pocket, what are these called? Envelopes. I use these in my memory planner, when I print some pictures or something that I want to remember to put in my planner, I will put them inside one of these little folders. Envelopes. So that comes in handy for that. And look how cute this is. I just love that it looked like a notebook, Look at that. And I love the white rings. So if I take this apart, I will use the rings on whatever, or I can just leave it together as is. Oh, look how cute. This one's nice. Sometimes I wish I had more reasons to use more planners. And I wish I could just have a bunch and keep up with them all. It's just impossible sometimes, I just want to use everything because I like it. I don't know if you're like that. Okay, so let's look at all of these. So this one is neutral. Awesome. So this one's got no kind of colors or anything. And again, wow, this is nice and big for you to be able to write on. I know Julie at Plans in the Making uses this layout to plan her social media posts and things she needs to remember. So maybe I can use it for something like that, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh my gosh, it's got some really pretty dividers. There we go. Teachers plant seeds of knowledge that will grow forever. That one's cute. This one's nice. All right, this was totally worth the money for sure. Am I going to use it right now? No. Do I wish I had a reason to use it right now? Yes. Look at how pretty. That is a really nice. Oh, look at this one. And look at that, just like the cover. Life is better when you're teaching. And you could totally cover that up and put something else there if you wanted to. But that's cute. You rule. And inspire others, make the moment count, make today the best day ever. And then here's more of those checklists, which are super cool, and I really need to figure out a way to use them. But you know what? At least now I have them, and I have the option to use them. Okay, so in this one, $12, you guys, $12. And I'm sure if you go to your Michaels, they might all be sold out, but they had these there for weeks before I spotted them in the clearance section. So they should be in your clearance section. But even if you paid more than $12, this is a good deal. And it was, oh, that's right, the stickers, I put them in here. So it was 2 envelopes, a pocket folder thing, a bookmark, and then these 3 stickers. All right, so that was it. I really like these boxes. I'm glad that I went ahead and purchased them. And I don't know, stay tuned to see if I find a use for these sometime in the future. Let me move that so you can't see it as much. All right, well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Bye.